Pipedrive just added a couple new features for your personal customization. Let's take a quick look on how to set those up. First, click into your Pipedrive account on the top right, then Personal Preferences. Once we're here in this menu, look on the left side of your screen towards the bottom where it says Interface Preferences. Here, not only can you hide away the side buttons, but they finally added a dark mode for all of us night owls. Keep in mind that these changes only affect you personally, and there's no way for you to control these settings for any of your colleagues or team members. And if you ever need to restart, you can always click this button here to get back to the start and redo your custom setup. Hope that this video helped, and if you have any questions about Pipedrive, iSales solutions, or anything in between, feel free to drop it in a comment below. And if you're new to Pipedrive or looking to set up a new account, you can check out our description for an affiliate link that will give you a 30-day free trial instead of a 14-day free trial. And if you have some questions and need some support, there's also a web form so you can reach out to us and maybe we can help you out and see how we can best set up Pipedrive for you. Hope that this helped, and have a great rest of your day. See you guys.